Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at an altcoin, the Sandbox, currently trading around $0.71. We're deep in the crypto bear market. The Sandbox is down 84.18% on a yearly time frame, but we're still 2023 on a very bright note, and in the last 1 month the Sandbox is up 57.6%. Has the Sand started a new bull run right now, or is this just dead cat bounce? Are we going to start dumping to Goblin Town, or are we going to continue pumping to the upside? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Sandbox US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll be looking at critical levels where the Sandbox might pump to if we're going to higher prices, and if we start dumping to Goblin Town, how low can we possibly go in this bear market? We'll also be looking at the Sandbox performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll finally take a look at the Sandbox market cap, which is currently around $1 billion. Guys, we'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, or chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Deep in the crypto bear market, all coins are pumping to the moon. We're currently having a relief rally. We're seeing all coins pump on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, and also on a monthly time frame. Is this just the dead cat bounce? Are we going to continue dumping to Goblin Town, or has the Sandbox started a new bull run? If you take a look at the Sandbox US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame, the Sandbox was launched somewhere in 2020, and after that we saw it pumping to the moon. From the 10th of January 2021, we saw the Sandbox going to the moon. In the next 315 days, this altcoin went up 24,000% to the moon. $1,000 invested in the Sandbox should have returned over $241,000. But guys, that was the bull run. Right now, the Sandbox is going through its first crypto bear market. And the bear market, all coins dumped to Goblin Town. The first phase of the bear market, we saw the Sandbox drop into the $0.79 region, losing more than 90% of its value in around 203 days. That was a very, very brutal fall for the Sandbox. That was the largest dump I've seen for this altcoin since when it was launched in 2020. Before that, the largest dump we had seen for the Sandbox was an 83% dump that happened in the bull market. But right now in the bear market, the first phase of the bear market took the Sandbox down around 90%, and after that we had a relief rally that happened in June 2022 where we saw the Sandbox rally up to as high as $1.4. That was a 94% pump to the upside. That was not the start of a new bull run. That was just a dead cat bounce for us to continue dumping to Goblin Town, because from that $1.4 region where we got to in August 2022, we have seen the Sandbox dump down another 72%, the third largest crash we have seen for the Sandbox since when it was launched. In total, in this bear market, the Sandbox has gone from as high as $8.5 to as low as $0.37, going down 95% in around 404 days. Right now, we're seeing a relief to the upside. So is this just a fake out? If we don't blast above the $0.8 region, continue pumping to higher prices, we may just see a repeat of what happened in August 2022, where the Sandbox faced heavy resistance at the $1.4 level, and we continue dumping to Goblin Town. Best case scenario, the Sandbox will come back to test the $0.37 region, and guys, worst case scenario, will break below it, continue going to Goblin Town, and maybe even drop to as low as the $0.17 region. With all coins, that's very, very possible, and that will mean the Sandbox from the all-time high we saw it in November 2021 would have been down around 97% from its all-time high, which is very, very normal with all coins. But why we like these all coins is that even though they can dump 95% in the bear market, most of them have the ability to recover and even go to set new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run. The Sandbox is going through its first crypto bear market, so you expect huge dumps, but I believe we'll see this altcoin setting new all-time highs. If this is not a dead cat bounce, if this is the start of a new bull run, we'll still expect the Sandbox to perambulate for more than 6 months or 1 year. Smart investors have to get their fill. They have to accumulate deep in the crypto bear market. And guys, if you want to accumulate with other smart investors, you have to be making those heavy decisions right now. The Sandbox is still down 84.8% on a yearly time frame, and deep in the crypto bear market is where you want to be investing. Deep in the crypto bear market is where you want to be getting ready for the next bull run. In the bear market, there's a lot of extreme fear in the market. People don't want to gamble on altcoins because those altcoins have been dumping to Goblin Town, and rightly so. We saw these altcoins dumping to Goblin Town since they set all-time highs in late November 2021. Since then, majority of the market has been going down to Goblin Town. Bitcoin has gone from $69,000 to as low as $15,500, and the Sandbox has lost 95% of its value. But that's where the smart investors come into play. We buy the dip, we buy all these altcoins when they are low, so that when they pump to new all-time highs like the Sandbox, we will be shouting kumbaya. For the Sandbox, we need it to go up 2,100% for it to go back to its previous all-time highs. Remember, altcoins are very, very volatile, both to the upside and to the downside. So the fact that you're buying these altcoins right now doesn't mean the bottom is in. That's why you don't want to get carried away by all the green candles we're having on the daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, and also on a monthly time frame. If you want to buy these altcoins getting ready for the next bull run, if this is not a dead cat bounce, even if it's a dead cat bounce, you should be accumulating deep in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run. Remember guys, dollar cost averaging is the method to go. You don't want to go all in. You have to see it this way. If the bottom is in for the Sandbox, you want dollar cost average so that as we're going to higher prices, you will still be able to say you bought some at the lows. At the same time, if you continue dumping to Goblin Town, if you're dollar cost averaging, you will still be able to get the Sandbox when it's going to lower prices. Be careful out there, guys. There's a lot of FOMO in the market. A lot of people are seeing all these green candles to the upside and they're trying to go all in. If you go all in, when we go to those lower prices, you will not have any capital to get some for yourself. If you look at the details about the Sandbox in the last 1 year, it has gone from as low as $0.37 to as high as $0.71. But before it went to the $0.71 region, the Sandbox was trading around $4.85 just a year ago. It has a fully diluted market cap of $2.1 billion, a circulating supply of more than 1.5 billion Sand tokens. The Sandbox is currently ranked 52 on CoinMarketCap with over 2.2 million people having this altcoin on their watch list. If you take a look at the Sandbox performance in the market and you want to get some for yourself in the bear market as we're getting ready for the next bull run, if you are one of those lucky investors that want to invest in the Sandbox and you believe we might see this altcoin pump to as high as $34 by the end of the next bull run, you can get some for yourself on Binance, on Qcoin, on Coinbase Exchange, on Kraken, on Bitstamp, on Uniswap, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoin, you can get the Sandbox right there. If you take a look at the Sandbox performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's currently dumping to Goblin Town after the Sandbox pumped really well to the upside against Bitcoin in its first crypto bull market. It's currently dumping to Goblin Town against Bitcoin in its first crypto bear market. And we've seen the Sandbox lose more than 84% of its value against Bitcoin. Guys, I still believe we will still see the Sandbox dumping to Goblin Town against Bitcoin because we're still deep in the crypto bear market. And the bear market, a lot of market participants are scared. They have seen their altcoins dump to Goblin Town for the first phase of the bear market. And when they are scared, they run towards safety. And safety for us in the cryptocurrency market is Bitcoin and is Ethereum. And that's why you're also seeing the Sandbox lose value against Ethereum. Right now, I'll not be shocked if we continue dumping to Goblin Town. This is looking more likely to be a dead cat bounce than it is to be the start of a new bull run. Bitcoin usually shows us the way if it's a new bull run. And right now, all coins are outperforming Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency market. If you take a look at the Sandbox market cap, which is currently above $1 billion, we've seen the market cap drop to as low as $500 million in this bear market, but we've caught a bounce off that $500 million region. And currently, we're waiting for the Sandbox to work its way back to the $2 billion region. Now, if this is a dead cat bounce, we may continue dumping to Goblin Town going below $1 billion. We have a major resistance at this $1 billion level. If the bulls are not able to push the price towards the $2 billion region, we might just see the Sandbox market cap come back to either test the $500 million region or probably set new lows in this bear market. I believe by the end of the next bull run, we might see the Sandbox market cap going above the $10 billion region, maybe even getting to as high as $30 billion by the end of the next bull run. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, do you think this is just a dead cat bounce or has the Sandbox started a new bull run? If this is a dead cat bounce, how low can we go when we start dumping to Goblin Town? If this is the start of a new bull run, are you still accumulating the Sandbox in the bear market as we're getting ready for the next bull run? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1.